You have one friend request. Click here to confirm.
Inbox kiren messages tiguna Tabas kunakin love you tigua Saksa aku mata tiguna Again Neha baya bunde agare karan Come on Maybe I was so wrong Think I'll only be mine That's a friend, I request Kerua Nikmata bagi mama take a confirm Kerua Fun ball, super ball Leke liana kela mata shape Leke that him Koda Kerua Profile leke Photoshop PHM Lasana pictures Koda kiana hinda mama term exam Kela ke messages awa You wanna meet up kela ahua Single hot kele kinda mama talk Kua Apitap no venu Kala ya keuna Ika ben aya bisiba ke benuna Status wana engage ay kuwa Mama nam katuwe Api kana tiya lama Sakaya kumata tiguna Ayagana Naha baya bune agare karana Now I know I was wrong To think you stick to one man Kelle Madanam agare kare Magirahana El Kukwine Kelle Eidu kadenne Maravata Nakisikarinde Kelle Madanam agare kare Magirahana El Kukwine Kelle Eidu kadenne Maravata Nakisikarinde
It all started when I opened up her request. Click confirm, didn't know her dirty business. Then her text up and then like Federal Express. What's next? A sexy pics got me breathless.
Man, I think you're talking about the same trick who was with me last night. Say 96. She knows how to please a man. Hey, and the best part is this got a boyfriend.
Now I know I should've let you go. Should've seen it coming, walked you through the door, ran. Love came soon, but it went away sooner. With a click, I gave you all I am, girl. Now I'm playing with my tears at night. Can't seem to think of anything but your sorrow. Now I'm up with the lovers to the party. Guess I'll search until I found the real thing.
Madanam agare kare, magirahana el kukwine kelle. Eidu kadenne Maravata Nakisikarinde Kelle Madanam agare kare Magirahana El Kukwine Kelle Eidu kadenne Maravata Nakisikarinde